Hello friends, I welcome you all on this online platform of KP Search Academy. Today we are going to discuss very basic concepts about maths which are important for all the standards, my dear friend. Right from 4th standard student up to graduation, these base concepts are very much useful. Sometimes for the graduate students who left learning maths from the 10th class, in between those years they forget these basic concepts which are very important for them as far as their competitive exams are concerned. So I request all standard students right from 4th standard to graduation to listen these particular concepts very carefully. So let us start. So we are going to learn rules of addition and subtraction today, my dear friend. So this is a series of lectures we'll go on. Today we will learn rules related to addition and subtraction, then multiplication, and then some of the rules of division also we will discuss in this process. Now, first rule, while doing the sum of two positive numbers, do the addition and give positive sign to the numbers. Now, this is very simple rule and this requires no explanation at all because we are very much familiar with this particular rule. Now, what this rule is saying, whenever you want to add two numbers, positive numbers, so just add them and give the positive sign. See, when I am writing 5, it means that plus 5. So there is no need to give the plus sign. Okay. So this is positive number. This is, we have this second positive number. Okay. And we are just adding them. So if I put the bracket here, so actually this examples looks like this. So whenever you are adding two positive numbers, then we always used to do the addition, and whatever the number you got, we always used to give the plus sign to it. Now 11 is nothing but plus 11. So whenever the plus sign is not given, it means that the positive sign is there. I hope this rule is much more familiar to all of you. But sometimes the next rule which I am going to mention, we are always having a confusion for using those kind of rules. तो मैं अभी हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ बेटा कि जब आपको दो पॉजिटिव नंबर्स को ऐड करना हो तो हमें एडिशन ही करना होता है और जो भी आंसर आता है हमें उसको प्लस साइन देना होता है. Now let us look at the second rule. Look at the second rule. While doing the sum of one positive number and one negative number, do the subtraction. Now this is very important, and give the sign of greater number. Now all these are very important, my dear friend. Now look at these rules. Look at these rules. What I am saying. Whenever you want to add one positive and one negative number, do the subtraction and give the sign of greater number. Now these examples are given here. First example, 9 plus minus 6. Now see, 9 is a positive number, minus 6 is a negative number. So what I will do the subtraction. So subtraction will like this, 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 will be 3. But since the greater number between 9 and 6 is 9, which is having plus sign, so answer will have plus sign. So your answer will be 3. It means that plus 3. 3 is nothing but plus 3. Always remember. 3 is nothing but plus 3. Let us try to understand it with help of second example. Minus 12 plus 7. Now, this is negative number and this is positive number. So what we will do, we will subtract 12 minus 7, that is 5. But now look at the signs of greater number. Our greater number is 12, which is having a minus sign. So your answer will be minus 5. I hope you people are understanding this. तो हमेशा याद रखो बेटा, जब भी आपको एक पॉजिटिव नंबर और एक निगेटिव नंबर का एडिशन करना होता है, तब आप हमेशा सब्सट्रैक्शन करोगे और जो भी आंसर आता है वो आंसर को ग्रेटर नंबर का साइन दिया जाता है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Sometime in a hurry, due to the tension, we forget to give the proper sign to the answer. Okay, so now look at this number. Now 16 plus 16 and minus 10. One positive number, here positive number is 16 and negative number is 10. So what I will do the subtraction. 6, subtraction is 6. Now why I kept this plus 6? Because the larger number, greater number is 16, which is having a plus sign. So my answer will be 6. Now take a last example. 24, okay, there will be correction here. 24 plus minus 13. One number is a positive, second number is negative, so we will do the subtraction. So subtraction will be 6. Now think about the sign. 24 is a smaller number and 30 is a larger number, and 30 is having the minus sign. So your answer will be minus 6. Your answer will be minus 6. Okay, so this is very important rule, my dear friend. I am again explaining this rule. Whenever you want to do the sum means nothing but addition of one positive and one negative number, always do the subtraction and give the sign of greater number. Now third rule I am going to mention you, my dear friends. While doing the sum of two negative numbers now I have, do addition and give negative sign. Now this is very important again. Now see, minus 8 and minus 6 both are negative numbers and you are going to add them. So 6 and 8 का addition हो जाएगा बेटा 14, लेकिन हम उसको minus sign देंगे. हमेशा याद रखो, this is very important. बिकॉज अगर आपका साइन चेंज हो गया बेटा तो आपका पूरा आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. बिकॉज देर इज a huge difference between 14 and minus 14. All of you must have means learn integers on the number lines, my dear friends. On the number lines, if you draw the number line, okay, on the left hand side we have all negative numbers and on right hand side we have all positive numbers. So सभी negative numbers ये positive numbers से छोटे होते हैं बेटा. So there is huge difference between 14 and minus 14. So if I want to put a comparison sign here, so I will say 14 is more than minus 14. Always try to understand. Now minus 12, minus 8 दोनों negative numbers है, तो हम एडिशन तो कर लेंगे. 20 एडिशन हो गया, बट हमेशा हमेशा माइनस नेगेटिव साइन देना है बेटा जब दोनों नंबर्स नेगेटिव होते हैं. माइनस 6 माइनस 10 तो माइनस 16 हो गया और साइन नेगेटिव आएगा. माइनस 12 माइनस 30 दोनों नेगेटिव नंबर है तो एडिशन कर लेंगे, 42 एडिशन आ गया और दोनों का साइन नेगेटिव है इसलिए नेगेटिव साइन यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? दिस 3 rules are very important, my dear friend, and these rules are useful for right from the 4th standard up to graduation level. Now next, my dear friend, 4th rule I am going to tell you now. Now this rule is again very important. This rule is again very important. If there is a negative sign before negative number, it becomes positive. Always remember, if there is a negative sign before the negative number, it becomes positive. For example, 9 minus minus 6. Now minus 6 we have here and there is a minus sign before it. So this minus minus will become, then we have 9 plus 6, that is equal to 15. 15 will be your answer. Try to understand this. Now see, minus 6 minus minus 8. Now minus 8, in before minus 8 there is minus sign. So this question can be converted to minus 6 plus 8. Now one negative number, one positive number, you will do subtraction and that answer will have the sign of a greater number. And which is the greater number here? 8. 8 is a greater number. The sign of this answer will be plus. Now my dear friend, 7 minus minus 3. So before minus 3 there is a minus sign, so it will become 7 plus 3 and your answer will be 7 plus 3, that is 10. This is very important rule. I am repeating this again. If negative sign before the negative number, if there is a negative sign before negative number, then it becomes positive. हमेशा याद रखो. Now next rule, rule number 5. What this rule number 5 says that if there is a positive sign before negative number, then signs remains negative. Very important, my dear friends. Now see, 8 plus minus 5. So before minus 5 there is a plus sign, so there will be no change. That sign will remains negative. So simply this question can be converted to 8 minus 5. Now 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now see, 12 plus minus 15. Before negative number there is a plus sign. So this will become negative. This will become negative. So 12 minus 15. Now, one positive number, one negative number, we will do the subtraction. Subtraction will be 3, but here sign will be negative because 15 is a larger, greater number which is having negative sign. 24 plus minus 28. Now see, before negative number there is a plus sign, so sign will become negative. So 24 minus 28. Your subtraction will be 4, my dear friends, but 28 is having negative sign which is a greater number, so answer will be minus 4. Okay, now I prepared a chart for these all rules. I prepared this one chart which will give you the idea of all the rules, my dear friend. Have a look at this particular chart very closely. I'm repeating this again. Look at this chart very closely. This chart will give you the idea about all these 5 rules I explained. Sum of two positive numbers, sum of two positive numbers, just take addition. So example as, okay, ऑपरेशन क्या करना होता है बेटा, एडिशन ही करना है आपको, और जो व्हाट विल बी द साइन ऑफ द आंसर, पॉजिटिव, जब दोनों नंबर पॉजिटिव होते हैं. जब सम ऑफ वन पॉजिटिव एंड वन निगेटिव, तो क्या करोगे आप, सब्सट्रैक्शन करोगे, और क्या आएगा, साइन क्या आएगा आंसर का, साइन ऑफ अ ग्रेटर नंबर, जैसे यहां पे किया है हमने 5 प्लस माइनस 3. वन नंबर इज पॉजिटिव, वन नंबर इज नेगेटिव, वी हैव डन सब्सट्रैक्शन, 5 और 3 का सब्सट्रैक्शन कर दिया, 2 आया, लेकिन उसको प्लस साइन क्यों दिया है, क्योंकि 5 का साइन प्लस है विच इज अ ग्रेटर नंबर. सम ऑफ टू नेगेटिव नंबर्स, क्या करोगे, एडिशन, और हमेशा आंसर का साइन क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा. देखो -8 प्लस -11, दोनों नंबर्स नेगेटिव है, तो एडिशन हो जाएगा 19 और उसका साइन माइनस आया. नाउ नेक्स्ट फोर्थ रूल, a minus minus b, so this will get converted to a plus b. Like for example, 4 minus minus 5, it will nothing but 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. A plus minus b, that will be converted to a minus b. For example, 12 plus minus 15 will be equal to 12 minus 15, which will be equal to minus 3, क्योंकि एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है, एक निगेटिव नंबर है, सब्सट्रैक्शन होगा, और जो भी आपका आंसर आने वाला है उसका साइन ग्रेटर नंबर का होगा, और यहाँ पे ग्रेटर नंबर 15 है जिसका साइन निगेटिव है. ठीक है, so this is all about the 5 very important rule in case of addition subtraction, my dear friend. I request you to watch this video again and again unless and until you get perfection. Now next I have given you the practice exercise in 2 parts, so I have given 12 examples here. I request everyone to give some time, use a paper and pencil and find the answer of all these 12 questions. My dear friend, I request all of you to solve this question, because on the next slide I have given answer of all these questions. You can check your answers once you completed this particular exercise. Okay, so again I am requesting all my dear students from the standard 4th to graduation to watch this video again to make a perfection in the science symbols as far as addition subtraction is concerned. Thank you very much and all the best. So I request everyone to subscribe our channel, share it to the maximum people, and give comment, and don't forget to like our video. Thank you very much again. Thank you very much.